Kent's 1993 New Yorker, 5th Avenue. This car is a sexy beast. Can dig it. Pretty red. Mac Daddy interior. This car only has about 23,000 miles on it. So we've been having some trouble with the power windows and the power door locks. I just did a little finagling and I've got the windows all to work, as you can see. So we can knock that off the list. Next step is getting the power door locks to actuate. So we'll be checking that next. So window go up, window go down, window go up, window go down, window go up, window go down, window go up, window go down. So all of our power windows are working on this beautiful 23,000 mile Chrysler. But now, our only problem now is power lock on driver's side is no es bueno, but it works on the passenger side. So we need to locate a switch. So I was running the car while I was testing the windows, which I got working, as you saw, and checking stuff. Walk by the front, I'm like, man, that thing smells like gas. Open the hood. You son of a bitch.